Hey Doc, thoughts naman about antibiotics like limecycline or doxycycline, effective po ba talaga siya? Thanks, Doc. So guys, yung doxycycline and limecycline, they belong to a family of antibiotic called tetracycline. So commonly ginagamit yan talaga ng mga dermatologists para sa pag-treat ng mga acne, kagaya ng inflammatory, moderate to severe acne, and also if yung mga acne nyo meron na siyang nana, then definitely guys, kailangan po ng antibiotic coverage. So, paano ba nag-work ang limecycline and yung doxycycline? So, pag tinake natin yan, nag interfere sila sa bacterial protein synthesis ng mga Cutibacterium acnes na siya nagkukos ng ating mga acne. So, pag wala masyadong bacterial protein synthesis nangyayari because of these antibiotics, bumababa po ang bacterial load sa ating mga balat, sa ating mga pores. Kaya po, nababawasan din po yung mga acne natin. Kasi, nababawasan din yung population ng mga Cutibacterium acne. And may anti-inflammatory effects sila. So, when you take this, you actually reduce the production of your pro-inflammatory cytokines and also inhibit the neutrophil chemotaxis or yung pagpunta ng neutrophils doon sa mga inflammatory sites ng lesions ng ating acne. Kaya po, may anti-inflammatory effect siya. And as you know, acne is an inflammatory skin condition. Anything that helps with inflammation will also help with acne. Number 3, guys, although minor lang, there is some evidence that doxycycline and limecycline daw can reduce your sebaceous gland activity. And also, it can reduce the inflammatory response sa loob ng ating mga sebaceous glands. Very interesting, but I think kailangan pa ng more studies to prove that. Now, to answer the question, effective pa talaga ang ating mga doxycycline and limecycline? Clinical studies show that if you use this, makaka-expect kayo ng around 50 to 70% reduction or improvement of your inflammatory acne after 6 to 12 weeks of taking doxycycline or limecycline. So yes, it's effective. Although doxycycline is preferred because of better bioavailability and anti-inflammatory properties, limecycline might be preferred by some because of its fewer gastrointestinal side effects. Although most studies show that doxycycline and limecycline have comparable effects in terms of clearing acne. So, depende na lang sa inyo guys kung anong mas bet ninyo, doxycycline ba or limecycline. Basta both sila effective. But remember, doxycycline cannot establish the same possible cure for acne like isotretinoin. Kaya guys, majority na observe ko ng patients na nagdo-doxycycline, nagkakaroon po talaga ng recurrence. And especially guys, if doxycycline or limecycline ang ginamit natin as a monotherapy, ibig sabihin hindi tayo nag-skincare, nag-oral medications lang tayo, nag-doxycycline or limecycline lang tayo to treat our acne, mas mataas yung recurrence rate nun. So, sa mga patients natin, guys, nakikita natin yung recurrence rate could be as high as 60 to 80%. Oo, guys, no, mag-clear siya after 3 months of taking your doxycycline or limecycline. But, yun nga, 60 to 80%, I see that nagre-recur sila after 3 to 6 months of stopping their doxycycline or limecycline. Especially, guys, if hindi na-maintain ng pasyente yung mga topicals niya and depende rin sa mga underlying factors, no, if may hormonal imbalance yung pasyente and meron talaga siyang genetic predisposition for a severe type of acne. So usually yun yung mga patients talaga nagkakaroon ng recurrence after po nilang mag-doxycycline. So para ma-reduce yung risk of recurrence after doxycycline and limecycline, for me, I think it's very important for you to maintain your effective anti-acne skincare. So, nandyan po yung Azelane, Acnoregulin Spray, and Retinol 1% Defender Cream. Very important yan. Yan yung ginagamit ng patients ko. And yan yung ginagamit ko para ma-prevent po yung mga recurrences or mga acne eruptions. So, if nag-doxycycline na kayo before and nag-recur pa rin po yung acne natin, then possible po na meron tayong resistant form of acne. And I think it's already high time for you to consider oral retinoids such as your isotretinoin if ayaw nyo na po na pabalik-balik ang inyong acne. Alright guys, if you have questions about doxycycline and limecycline, you can comment below or you can send me a direct message. Alright guys, I hope this helps. For more acne tips, follow me in Basta Acne DMD. Bye!